Hello.
Hello.
So this is the counter. This is the cabinet, and then the what is this one called? The handle. And then this is gonna be the backsplash, but in this color, desert gray. So yay! And then this is where the house is. This one right there on top. Point it, baby. Where's the house?
So it's here, no?
Yeah.
Or no? Oh, you
Yeah.
were able to
The one on the
back up?
eve. So this is a tour of my birthday gift. And then here we go. This is just a model. So in the first floor, you have the washing area. And then this is a one-car garage. And then the ceiling goes up right there. And then we do have this coat rack. And then you go upstairs. There's my dad. Hello, Dad.
Hi.
And then there's the living room. And then there's the kitchen. And then there's 1.5 bathroom. So, and then there's cabinets. And then he's recording too. And then there's that's me. Hi. And then there's the bedroom. So the bedroom does have the shower, and then we're going to get one. And then here's our small walk-in closet. So yeah, this is gonna be our soon. And then there's your room, your neighbors. And then the cool thing about this one is we do have the veranda. So yeah, ta-da! There we go. Yay! Now we're gonna go to the site where it is, and then we'll bring you there.
That would be fun.
Ooh, he's cold. Oh yeah, he does.
There's a golf course right there somewhere.
Where? Oh, Condo.
Oh,
Yeah.
Condo.
Wow.
I know, it's moving quite fast, so...
Oh, nice.
Membership here?
Huh?
There's a membership here, okay?
No, if you have the
No,
house,
no.
you have the
There's no
HO.
membership.
Yeah.
Yeah, he has, he'll just have a key to this. So you guys have a pool, jacuzzi, a kid pool, there's a barbecue station,
Oh.
outdoor showers,
Okay.
bathrooms.
And he likes the palmas.
You're right here.
Yeah.
The same model, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. These are the mountains,
Nice.
so when it snows, you're going to be able to see the snow.
Oh,
Yeah.
In Mount Balde, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Good.
true.
It's going to be so beautiful.
Nice. And we're next to the parking.
You're next to the parking and you're also close to the pool.
Yeah.
And then this is the side of your garage.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh, no.
Peraí,
That's good.
aqui, será?
Yeah, so they have.
It's nice.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
wow.
That'll be all finished with your garage.
Oh, they're
access.
quick, huh?
Yeah. I'll show you guys a finished building just so you can kind of see.
Yeah. Oh, somebody's already here, huh? Living.
Oh, not in this building.
Oh, not yet.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're
okay.
still working. So this is what you're finished.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
That's nice.
Very clean. Pavers.
Uh-huh.
Two garage, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Oh, they have a one-car garage.
One car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have a one car.
That's good. That's good. How much is the down payment?
Whatever you agree to with the lender. I don't get involved with that.
Oh, okay. So how much the price? Do you know the price?
What did you end up at? Yes, I don't
440.
440?
Yeah.
And $1.
Oh, nice. It's big too.
Yeah,
Very big, huh?
very big parks. Play lawn games,
Uh-huh.
relax, read a book, picnic.
Uh-huh.
You can do a loop.
Oh.
So here's your trail.
Oh, here, baby.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
It stretches all the way.
Stretches all the way around.
Mhm.